sustainability report shows how a company manages its ESG impacts. For SGX-listed issuers, it is a required annual disclosure. The test, a coherent account or a data dump. Here is what it needs. It is a structured account of ESG impacts across the year. Environmental, social, governance. Emissions, safety, board oversight. It carries evidence, not intent. Policies, performance, targets. The board signs off on it. Every company listed on SGX must publish one. Under Rule 711A, it ships to shareholders and the exchange. Large non-listed firms begin phasing in from financial year 2030. Unlisted SMEs are not required yet. Rule 711B sets 6 primary components: material factors, climate disclosures, policies, targets, framework, board statement. Practice Note 7.6 sets the expected structure. Most are comply or explain. Climate is mandatory. Singapore phases in climate disclosure with the ISSB. From financial year 2025, listed firms report Scope 1 and 2. STI firms add Scope 3 from financial year 2026. Assurance follows from financial year 2029. Confirm dates with ACRA. Climate governance shows how the board oversees climate risk, where it sits, how it is reported, how it feeds decisions. The board statement carries the weight. 2 frameworks run in parallel here. GRI asks how the company affects the world. IFRS S1 and S2 ask how sustainability affects value. The same data set feeds both. Production runs on a 4 to 5 month calendar. It works back from the AGM date. 5 months applies only with assurance. Data drives the schedule, not design. Presentation earns or loses the reader. A bare line, 48,200 tons, tells an analyst little. Add the 2022 baseline and prior year comparative, down 6%. Same number made readable. Design and copywriting do the heavy lifting. WOC Production writes and designs these reports for listed companies. We shape data and narrative for an F and B Group's report. Partner consultants confirm the compliance. One judgment holds it together. Lock materiality first. Settle material topics before the design brief. Then it all reads as one account, not a data dump. Plan yours with WOC Production.